Hi, I'd like to welcome the Vice President of the Butler AM Rotary, Jeff Geibel, to the Butler Buzz. How are you, Jeff?
Real good, real good. Thanks for having me, Tricia.
Oh, you're most welcome. And I'm familiar with the Rotary, but maybe some of our listeners are not. Can you tell us a little bit more about your organization and what its mission is?
Sure. So we are a charity here in Butler, the Butler AM Rotary. There are actually two clubs in Butler. We meet in the mornings. Rotary is international. There are clubs all over the world, literally all over the world. And our motto is service above self. We're always looking to give back to the community. We've got a lot of leaders in the community that belong to our group, and we're always interested in what charity projects and things are happening around the Butler area and where we can get involved and try to do our part to help out.
Oh, well, thank you. I know from being familiar with some of that work, your organization have been doing amazing things.
We try.
And so our guests are aware, your meetings are Tuesday mornings at 7 a.m. in the Butler YMCA?
Correct, yes.
And are there opportunities for other people to get involved as members?
There are. So we're always recruiting new members. You have to be referred by somebody who's already a Rotarian who believes that this person would be a good addition to the club. But absolutely, yeah, we're always growing.
Okay, wonderful. And I also saw that you are seeking or welcome opportunities to have guest speakers come in and speak about maybe some of these projects that are happening in the community and maybe how the Butler Rotary could support that.
Yeah, I actually enjoyed that on Tuesday mornings. We have a different speaker most weeks who share something that an organization they're involved in locally, what they're working on, and how they're trying to make a difference in the world. And a lot of those organizations we do try to support as we can. So it's really interesting. I've learned so much more about all the good things that are going on in Butler just by attending those meetings and being part of it.
And I'm glad that you mentioned a good thing, because there's a special project that the Butler AM Rotary has chosen to support. And could you tell us a little bit more about that project?
Sure. So we're in the midst of a multi-year project right now, something we're trying to do to recognize county first responders. That'd be your police, firemen, and EMT. There's currently no memorial recognizing those folks who have fallen in the line of service, in the line of duty and service to Butler County. So we're trying to create a memorial that would recognize all those county first responders that we have lost over a great many years in Alameda Park. We're trying to build a memorial and then a new picnic shelter.
Pavilion?
A pavilion, exactly, that would go along with it, kind of tie those two things together.
Well, I think it sounds like a wonderful idea and a wonderful way to honor those who have served for us. I assume a project like this is not cheap.
It's there's a lot that goes into the memorial itself and the seating wall, lighting, the stone and all that, cement work, and then of course a pavilion that would seat 150 persons.
Wow.
It is a big price tag. Yep.
All right. So how is the Butler AM trying to fundraise for this kind of memorial?
Well, a lot of these projects we do get significant donations from local businesses, Armstrong being one of them, right? So a lot of businesses do support the good work in the community. We take individual donations, and then we have fundraising events and things that we try to do throughout the year to try to help with that.
And I hear that there is a Roaring 20s casino night coming up in August. Could you tell us about that specific event and how we could purchase tickets and join in the fun?
Sure. So we are having an event at Butler's Grand Ballroom. If you've never been to the Grand Ballroom on Main Street, it's a really nice space. A lot of weddings and different events that take place there. We've got room for 200. I think there are about 50 tickets still outstanding for that event. They can be picked up at my office of Edward Jones on Main Street on that same block as the Grand Ballroom, or at the Spring Hill Suites if you ask for Audrina Bly. We're just looking forward to having a good time for a good cause. So we'll have the casino games going. People can win chances towards some really nice prizes that we'll have that night, and a cash bar. It should be a good time.
And if I remember correctly, it's Saturday, August the 21st,
Correct.
from 6 till, what time is it over?
6 to 10.
6 to 10, and tickets are $75. And the proceeds are going to be going to help with this particular memorial that we've been discussing. Besides the casino games, and you mentioned baskets or prizes, I bet there's going to be really good food.
There will be, yeah. We've got some good food. We've got 2 drink tickets on, along with that $75, 2 complimentary drinks, food, some 10 gaming chips. There's a little bit that comes along with the ticket. So
Awesome.
anytime we can have a good time for a good cause, it's a win-win.
And are you looking for sponsors?
We are. There's opportunities if they get in pretty quickly here. Businesses are, we have a number of businesses sponsoring the event, and we've got a couple of spots open there yet as well.
All right. How can our listeners find out more about the Butler AM Rotary and also this particular event? On your website, Facebook?
Yep. So there is some information up on at the Butler AM Rotary website and on our Facebook page as well. Yep.
All right. Well, thank you, Jeff, and your organization for all the wonderful work that you're doing for all of us. And let's go out and support their upcoming events, and I cannot wait to see that memorial.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Butler Buzz. If you would like to see more episodes, click on the playlist button up here. If you want to stay up to date with all of Armstrong's programming, click on the subscribe button down here. See you next time.